Got a mini here, got a misfire. I'm going to use the C reader. I want to see what this does. It's the first time ever using it. It's supposed to be pretty good for BMW type stuff. So just want to see what's going on with it. And then I haven't started it yet to confirm the misfire. Just do my code scan. ECM 5 faults. Okay, so cylinder 2, combustion misfire, fuel injection deactivated. Okay, I don't care about the cast system right now. All right, let's save the report. All right, looking through these. These are all history codes. Okay, so it's 300. I do like that how it'll change the code to P code. Cylinder 2, 300. So it looks like it's mostly cylinder number 2. Let's see what's going on. I don't know if this has clear flood. Probably not. Nope, just starts right up. Feels like an engine mount. Turn it off for a second. I don't want to get it too hot. Well, I think I found it. Okay. Yeah, how about that? I didn't get it to misfire yet. Should I leave it like that and test it? I don't know. It does have a mass error. I want this thing to misfire. I'm going to go switch up scan tools so I can have a little bit better visual on the data. I'm going to rescan it. That way I can get the report better. But where is it at here? Voltage is a little low. Probably be better to go in OBD2, to be honest. I just want to see what I have. Misfire detector. Okay. Alright. Select page. And let's graph them. Maybe I'll combine them. Alright. You can hear the turbo. Probably because the because the suction side's open. Inlet side, whatever you call it. It's pretty peppy for a little car. I'm not feeling any misfire though. Hopefully that means that's full of gas. I don't know what that means. Probably empty, as usual. There's unmetered air getting into this engine. Let me come out of here. I'm going to go in global. I don't see nothing going on. I'm just leaving it just like that for now. Brake torque it. I want to see, because possibly, I don't know if it got pulled off or something. I don't know why it's like that.
Wait.
I haven't got it to misfire though. Just want to see if the mounts are bad. I'll go the other way. That's got some weak mounts. Alright, that's good. Clear the code, take it for a road test. Well, I didn't tighten it yet, but I had to take that off. This aftermarket shit is causing it to get pushed out. And there is no, you notice on here, there's no like flange to keep that on there. So even when I tighten that down as best as I can, when I put it on, it's too much of an angle. This crap. I don't know if this can be moved. It's not going to move very far, but this needs to be addressed. This has this has to be addressed because it's, you know, mass airflow is kind of important. I've been messing with this for a while. I got it tight, put some spray adhesive on it. I don't know if it's going to work. This basically needs to be replaced, and it needs the factory stuff. I'm going to see if I can move it over a little because, you know, it's just, it pushes it out and then pushes off. I wasn't going to pull a spark plug, but I think I'm going to because I was just looking up here and I saw that. That looks like an end of a coil. So these coils actually look new. So I don't know. Look at that. Pretty cool. I don't know how it comes off. Okay. Looks okay in there. I don't know if the plugs have been done, but they look fairly new. Alright, I'm gonna not touch it. I haven't got it to misfire yet, so I don't want to mess with it. I'm gonna have to let them figure out what they want to do with this, because that's just gonna keep popping off, and I can't do a proper test with that popping off like that. It is what it is. Alright, we're gonna let this one roll. I'm just gonna clear the code and that's all I can do right now. It needs that air intake. It will not stop popping off. I tried everything. I tried spray adhesive, I tried double clamping, there's no flange on it. The rubber is just, you know, I cleaned it off, the turbo and the inside, sprayed everything down with brake clean and all that good stuff. But I already cleared it in OBD2 just to make sure that everything was done. Sometimes you got to clear them in both for whatever reason. I don't know if it's something to do with this tool or what. That's all I can do for now. It's got weak engine mounts. That aftermarket crap keeps pushing it off. It's not capable of sealing. The clamp is no good. You name it. That's it for this one.